What I feel in day-to-day life, I like to share that with people in my social media account. Uh, I, my mother lives with us. She's in her late 80s. We say I love you to strangers, unnecessary. Matlab, I love you. And of course, we say to our spouses and our girlfriends and boyfriends 1,000 times, whom we meet after say about 20 years of our life.
In terms of my cancer treatment, obviously, there's no other option but to go through it if you want to stay alive, you know. And like Sonali once said, that the treatment is worse than the disease. Yeah. So the treatment is really bad, you know. And I don't want to make it sound easy for anyone who's going through it, but yes, you will get better.
Recently, we got to know that you also met Hina Khan, who unfortunately is also a victim of cancer and is going through something very difficult right now.
1 out of every 8 women in the world is going to be detected with breast cancer,
Okay.
has already been detected, or is right now fighting it.
It was
Talking
just
about Hina Khan, it's so
Right.
strange. I was just going through my messages. When I got to know, I used to send her regularly messages every alternate day. Prayed for you, prayed for you,
yes.
prayed for you. See? Prayed for you, prayed for you. You will be fine. When I was a small child, I was not good at studies. I was not good at sports. And there was nothing special about me. Came from a lower middle class family. Shola or Shabnam, David Dhawan films, and also Bend It Like Beckham abroad. I think that you can only do if you don't have the fear of failure. It is the fear of failure that makes you mediocre. Kiran went through the same thing, but today I'm happy to see you sitting here and talking about it. I mean, some people give up, and I can understand their predicament, but we are in an air-conditioned studio. We are in my acting school. I came to this city with 37 rupees in my pocket.
Wow.
And even if now I complain about things, then what is it? So I try and live my life. And we were also shooting in the real hospital.
Wow.
So, and after COVID, तो what happens in the signature, वो COVID के बाद ऐसा कोई शख्स नहीं है जिसने हॉस्पिटल
नहीं देखा।
नहीं देखा हो.
जी।
Please watch this show with Navina Bole.
Hi everybody, I am Navina Bole welcoming all of you to Subhojit's YouTube channel with yet another very interesting podcast and episode. आज के हमारे गेस्ट बहुत स्पेशल है. वो इतने स्पेशल है कि उनकी सिग्नेचर्स AKA उनके ऑटोग्राफ्स के लिए दुनिया दीवानी है. पर आज हम जिस सिग्नेचर की बात करने वाले हैं, that is a very different signature. It is so important to some people that it can actually be a matter of life or death. To know more about this, we have two amazing personalities and legendary actors with me. Anupam Kher sir and Mahima Chaudhary ma'am here with us today to talk about their upcoming project for ZEE5, The Signature. And it's an absolute privilege and honor to have you here with us. My very first question is for Anupam sir. Anupam sir, you are a legend and institution. I love the way you have these posts on social media where you educate people about socially relevant messages. And your latest post about taking care of our parents and their health care, that struck a chord. And what I'd like to know is, was that purposely intended to reach out to the audiences because you have that impact?
No, not necessarily in that order. It's what I feel in day-to-day life. I like to share that with people in my social media account. My mother lives with us. She's in her late 80s, and what I don't see other people doing, some of the other people doing, I thought it inspires, because my videos with my mother have inspired a lot of other people to take a second look at their parents, which we don't do that. The people we take for granted most is our parents.
True.
And the people who do most for us is our parents. So I think it's important in today's time to make them feel important. And they don't, their demands are very, very little. They are easily, you can make them happy very easily. You have to just sit with them for 5 minutes and listen to them. We say, I love you to strangers, unnecessary. Matlab, I love you. And of course, we say to our spouses and our girlfriends and boyfriends 1,000 times, whom we meet after say about 20 years of our life, and we may break up with them after 1 year. And in that 1 year, we say, I love you to them millions of
5,000,
times.
yeah.
Bye bye, mwah, I love you, darling, I love you, okay, I love you, bye, bye, I love you, bye, bye. And then I hate you. And parents, we can say it once in a week, and verbally. This whole silent communication happens with parents only. कि अरे मैं आपको प्यार करता हूँ ना, इसमें प्रूव करने की क्या ज़रूरत है? नहीं, प्रूव करने की ज़रूरत है. प्रूव नहीं, उनको एहसास कराने की ज़रूरत है. So that was the reason I put that post up.
Very, very beautiful message. And my next question is to Mahima ma'am. Like we discussed, Anupam sir is a legend, an institution. Just to be sitting in the same room as him, for me, is a huge honor. And you have shared screen space with him. So what I'd like to know is, what has been your biggest takeaway or your learning from him?
Oh, I learned a lot from her.
No. You learn from him not just about acting. You learn from him about life. The way he conducts himself, the way he brings joy to people, not just when people watch him on celluloid, when he's even passing through a lobby in a hotel. You know, everybody just lights up. And yeah, he gets things done very quickly and very smoothly. He makes everything look effortless. He took over the production also of this company, of this film. And, you know, small films sometimes have their own challenges, financial or whatever. And he just took it upon himself to make it sail through that period and bring it to the audiences now. You know, little things like that. He's always the captain of that ship where he is, you know. And he's very good at everything. He's multitasking all the time.
You're struggling to praise me.
No. He's multitasking all the time.
It's very
And
model.
he notices small little details about everybody's life, which is so beautiful and nice, and it makes you feel so special. I feel very special in his company. And I'm sure he does that with a lot of people, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's why legendary.
My father used to say the easiest thing in the world is to make somebody happy.
So true.
It's
So
the
true.
easiest thing.
Like they say, you know, in a world where you can be anything, be kind.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
yeah, I think that's what holds true for sir.
No, and he's very good. I'm sure he can do on social media and on his electronics just as much as any 12-year-old.
Wow.
Which is very, very good. It's keeping up with the times and, you know, stuff like that.
We literally mentally
Yeah.
matched here, because that's my next question. You know, you have done tremendously, beautifully well, not just on screen, but off screen as well, because in this day and age where people with probably 1/10 of your experience, they don't even want to send in auditions, you've got your biodata on LinkedIn. So what set off your creative juices to get, you know, going
I
in?
do things so that people ask me a different question in life. Sometimes I do things where it does not become a mundane interview. So for you to ask me this question, I had to do this.
No, it's
No,
very.
what I mean
It
to
takes
say that
effort, what
I
you
have
do.
always in my life tried to be noticed for different things.
Very cute.
When I was a small child, I was not good at studies. I was not good at sports. And there was nothing special about me. I came from a lower middle class family. Me and my brother used to wear the same type of pajama and kurta. So there was no special. So I started copying my uncle or my principal or my teacher or my father. So they said, "अरे उसको लेकर आओ जो नकल उतारता है." So I got an identity.
Okay.
Then when I came into movies, My first film was 27 years old, but played a 65-year-old man.
Yes.
That was because there was no other way out. Then this whole nonsense about being typecast in our industry at that time, I'm talking about mid-80s.
Yes.
I broke that myth. I was doing a Saransh also, I was doing a Khosla Ka Ghonsla also, I was doing Dr. Dang also in Karma and Shola aur Shapnam, David Dhawan films,
Whatever.
and also Bend It Like Beckham Abroad. I think that you can only do if you don't have the fear of failure. It is the fear of failure that makes you mediocre.
Wow.
Because you are safe, na? You're safe. Even actors who are, just because actors are, I'm not criticizing actors, work is work, but how do you excel? By not having the fear of failure. So when you have fear of failure and you are doing acting, you are neither doing bad acting or neither doing your good acting, you're doing correct acting. कि ये तो ठीक ही है. अभी आप शो से पहले आपने कहा मैं ये पहन लूँ, है ना? Not because of anything else. It was just 2 minutes नीचे जाके भाई जूते ले आओ मेरे, मैं ये वाला पहनना चाहती हूँ. Because that was before that was a correct
Yeah.
clothing. कि ठीक है ना, अभी कौन जाए नीचे से मंगवाए टी शर्ट. फिर किया तो अब देखो कितनी चमक रही है.
आपके सामने to get attention, one has to look. One is dressed up like the sun, and I'm trying to use red because red really catches the eyeballs.
You
हाँ,
catch
कल
the
भी आपने
eyeballs
रेड पहना
anyway.
था,
Yeah.
तो कल आप कितनी अच्छी
Yeah.
लग रही
Need the red, but yes, that's definitely.
वो जो
Yeah,
correct-
That is
because
the cherry.
इससे
ज़्यादा
पहले
क्या
जब
होगा?
इनसे मिली थी तो he said तुम बड़ी disheveled लग रही थी.
नहीं,
I was like, disheveled
Yeah,
क्यों लग रही
she
थी?
should remember me
लग
for
रही
other things
थी.
also.
So, no, I love it.
हाँ.
I love the fact that he noticed that I was not looking so myself. There was something less about me.
Because
Yes.
usually she is in one particular event.
Over the top.
Usually she is so particular how she looks.
Right.
That particular event she was a little disheveled. So
I
I
tried
called her
very
up.
hard,
I
okay.
made it a point to call her up after 2-3 hours. I said, Mahima, बहुत अच्छा किया तुमने, बहुत अच्छा बोली, मगर वो थोड़ी लुक जो थी ना थोड़ी disheveled थी. So I think the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra.
Extra.
Yeah.
So unless you do that little extra without having a fear of failure, then you are an ultimate winner.
True. True.
हमेशा नहीं जीतता इंसान, मगर
जी. You
क्या
got to
फर्क
keep
पड़ता है?
trying.
हाँ, क्या फर्क पड़ता
Yeah.
है?
Okay.
ओशो की बड़ी अच्छी लाइन है ना, if you try you risk failure, if you don't you ensure it.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's my favorite line.
Wow. Beautiful one.
सिग्नेचर की बात कर रहे हैं वैसे हम लोग दोस्तों.
Yeah.
ये हम कुछ फिलॉसफी में चले गए, बट सिग्नेचर हमारी फिल्म 4 तारीख को 4 अक्टूबर को Z5 पे आने वाली है.
Yes.
आप जरूर देखें, बीच बीच में बोलता जाना.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल.
चलेगा ना?
Anyways, my next question is to Mahima ma'am.
Oh God.
Mahima ma'am, you have been a complete fighter. You know, I know there has been this whole journey from being a breast cancer survivor. You've been a single mom. So much strength, so much resilience. We really want to know what is the source of that strength. Where do you find it in you to inspire us all so much?
Where single parenting is concerned, I think I had support from home. I had support from my mother and my father, my sister, because it's not easy to raise a child and be working. You know, I see a lot of women do that. So yeah, I got a lot of support from home, and I think in our Indian homes we can avail that. So that was that. And in terms of my cancer treatment, obviously there's no other option but to go through it if you want to stay alive, you know. And like Sonali once said, that the treatment is worse than the disease. Yeah. So the treatment is really bad, you know. And I don't want to make it sound easy for anyone who's going through it, but yes, you will get better. The treatment is bad, but the treatment cures you. The treatment that is available for cancer now. Most of the cancers are treatable now,
Yeah.
you know. But it is like being in a room and being beaten up by people you can't see in the dark.
Right.
And for 4 days and 4 nights and 4 days and 4 nights, and then just getting up, and then they say you're free to go now, and you go, but you don't know who's beaten you up.
Right.
And you're shaken because you don't want to be in a dark place anymore.
Right.
And then again the next cycle comes and you get beaten up. So it is like that. The chemos are like that. But once you finish, it almost feels like, did I go through it, or is it just a bad dream?
Literally brave
Yeah,
through all those
yeah,
phases.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was very well explained.
Yeah, yeah, beautifully done, absolutely. And coming back to Anupam sir, we have a very, very beautiful project coming out on Z5 on October 4th, The Signature. We are here to talk about that movie. And from the trailer, what I gather is that it is about strength, it is about holding on to hope, it is about family values. And in today's day and age where, you know, we are in such a hurry to move on to the next thing, what is your message to our generation to keep that balance between their professional life and their personal life, you know, to also give value to their family and to things that really matter?
I'll tell you a small story about this, and then in that, by the end of that story will be the message, what I want to say, what
Right.
you are saying. When my father was my best friend, he used to sit from the first play of mine he saw when I was in 5th standard till the last film that he saw of mine. His expression was the same. Wow, what an actor, what a person, what a son I have produced. Whether it was rubbish film of mine, but उनका expression होता था, क्या बात है बेटे, क्या बात है वो, बड़े मेरे बहुत बड़े, सबसे बड़े fan मेरे father थे, सबसे बड़े, वो मेरे दोस्त भी थे. And I could put my arm around him, he could put his arm around me. And he was a very active person. He was 84 and used to walk 15 kilometers every day in Shimla. And then he fell sick and he got a strange disease where food became sand for him and water became acid for him.
Oh God.
He felt, मतलब, so he was starving because खाना लेके जाते थे तो violent हो जाते थे, हटा देते थे because there is a certain, I don't know, it happens to once in 10 million people. So first we did not understand, then doctor said that you can take him home, and my father was starving, मतलब not eating. We used to initially put artificially उनको खाना खिलाया. तो मैंने अपने भाई को बोला था कि पापा को जब भी मेरी ज़रूरत होगी तो मुझे बुला लेना, मैं जहाँ भी कहीं होऊंगा. And he was at home, so we were going to David Dhawan's elder son Rohit's wedding, and we landed in Goa, me, Kiran and Sikandar, and I got a message from my brother, he wants to see you, he's looking for you. So I took the flight, return flight, and I reached my father's place. My father had a piece of paper on his chest and a pen. He did not have the energy to talk because he was so weak. बिकॉज खाना खा नहीं रहे थे, पानी पी नहीं रहे थे. तो वो उन्होंने पेपर लिया और मेरे को ऐसे देख के कुछ लिखने लगे. एंड ही हैड दिस नॉटी ग्लिंट इन हिज आइज कि आई एम समथिंग गोइंग टू राइट एंड यू हैव टू आंसर दिस. इट टुक लॉन्ग टाइम फॉर हिम टू राइट वॉट एवर ही वॉन्टेड टू राइट. एंड देन ही थ्रू द पेपर डाउन एंड ही सेड पिक इट अप. सो आई पिक्ड इट अप एंड नाउ इज लुकिंग एट मी कि जवाब दे जो मैंने लिखा है. Unfortunately, he did not have the energy to form words. So on the paper were just lines, just random lines.
My mother also wrote like that.
Yeah, in his way, in his manner, and I say that what has he said in this paper, because I can't see anything. They're just lines. So I said to him, "Ha, of course, Papa, bilkul, you are right. Yes, of course. Why not?" He knew that I had not understood. So then he called me to his mouth and put my ear on his mouth. And for a person who was going to die in the next 20 minutes, his last 2 words were to me, live life. So that is what people have to do. They have to live life. We are running fast nowhere. There's a beautiful line by that Beatles singer. He said, life is what happens to you while you are planning other things. So we don't live life. We are always non-communicative to people. I try and live my life. It's tough, and why should life be easy? Life should be tough, because then only you come out of it victorious. She said just now about this being in the room and being beaten up by unknown people. Kiran went through the same thing, but today I'm happy to see you sitting here and talking about it. I mean, some people give up, and I can understand their predicament, but we are in an air-conditioned studio. We are in a my acting school. I came to this city with 37 rupees in my pocket.
Wow.
And even if now I complain about things, then what is it? So I try and live my life. That's as simple as that.
Wow. Okay. All right. Moving on to
And that is the theme of the film.
the theme of the film.
Yes.
I have dealt with my hospital with my father so much because we did not understand what is it that is problematic to him. Or doctors milte the. My father initially became friends with them. My father was called Dr. Saab just because he used to keep medicines in his pocket. क्या है जुकाम है ये लो Cosabil. Those days some tablet used to come
Cosabil, yeah.
and he will go every second day to the doctor to just get his checkup done. Not because he used to feel unwell. He was not hypochondriac. So hospitals की ये scene मैंने बहुत देखे हैं जो हमने इस फिल्म में किए थे. And we were also shooting in the real hospital.
Wow.
So and after COVID तो what happens in the signature वो COVID के बाद ऐसा कोई शख्स नहीं है जिसने हॉस्पिटल नहीं देखा हो.
जी, correct.
तो वरना हॉस्पिटल हम फिल्मों में देखते हैं या हॉस्पिटल हम किसी और को देखते हैं. बट कोविड के दौरान हर इंसान ने या तो अपने किसी रिश्तेदार को या अपने दोस्त को महसूस ही किया कि हॉस्पिटल में क्या होता है. फियर ऑफ अननोन.
Yes. Yes.
नहीं, and every not just the middle class, जो गरीब भी हैं, अगर उनका एक फैमिली मेम्बर 10 दिन के लिए भी बीमार हो जाता है ना, उनका इकोनॉमिक्स कुछ 6-7 महीने पीछे चला जाता है. किसी से लोन ले लेते हैं 50,000, किसी का हस्बैंड बस से उतर रहा है, उसकी टांग कट जाती है, फिर 2-3 लाख कहीं से लेते हैं, फिर वो जिंदगी भर भरते ही रहते हैं.
They don't have the luxury of falling
They
sick.
don't.
Yeah, they don't. Even if a child falls sick for 15-20 days,
Yeah, that's them back.
anybody, it could be domestic help, they can't survive.
You see these cases online on Keto, and these are very, very sad cases. There are sick children, sick mothers, and they are asking everybody for help because healthcare in India is very, very expensive.
All over the
And
world, I
yet
think.
Yet the film does not spread the message of hopelessness.
Yes.
Yes.
Our relationship in the film or our conversation in the film is about hope.
Yes.
Both of our characters are going through our individual issues, and yet when you meet your college friend or
You don't start talking about your problems straight away.
you don't start.
You
You're
catch up.
talking about happy things. ऐसा होता था, चलो party
The good
करते हैं, चलो
times.
फिर मिलते हैं and all
Yes.
that. Till you realize that this guy is in the middle of something, and he realizes I'm in the middle of something, and everybody is holding up,
Yeah.
trying to
brave
hold
face,
up
yes.
and be strong.
Even Ranveer Shori's character
Yes.
is a phenomenally different kind of a thing. He thinks that anger is the substitute to
Yeah.
go through tragedy.
Yeah.
I feel that no, I should be nice to the doctor. Yeah.
Yeah. And even the doctor is shown as someone very kind who understands.
Yeah.
He says that it's expensive for you. You can take your wife to a more reasonable
Affordable,
hospital.
huh?
And he says, no, I'm doing everything to keep her here.
Right.
So,
Because हमारे यहाँ हायरार्की जो है वो गॉड, डॉक्टर
yeah.
और बहुत सालों तक एक्टर्स थे.
Yeah.
अब हम चले गए नीचे कहीं और.
Yeah.
हाँ, हमारे तो ऐसी थी हायरार्की.
Yeah.
अब थोड़ा सा अलग अंदाज है. बिकॉज अभी सोशल मीडिया की वजह से वो जो हेलो होता था एक्टर्स के
Yes. Now we become
around.
human.
वो
Now
नहीं है
everyone's
ना
become
अभी.
human.
वरना तो
नहीं, आप लोगों के ऊपर अभी भी है.
नहीं.
Yeah. No, when I watch a lot of those actors now, also like when I saw Gadar, it was like another thing to watch Sunny Deol on screen. It's another
Stardom.
feeling only.
And then when you
Yeah.
watch Dharmendra Paji, it's
Yeah.
But anyways, coming back to you, Mahima ma'am, we spoke about your battle with cancer and how you came out victorious. Recently, we got to know that you also met Hina Khan, who unfortunately is also a victim of cancer and is going through something very difficult right now. And it was
You
really
sound like her.
heartening. I do?
You sound like
Do
Hina
I?
Khan. Your voice is like hers.
Okay, this is the first that I've heard.
It's 1 out of every 8 women in the world is going to be detected with breast cancer,
Okay.
has already been detected, or is right now fighting it. So it is so rampant. And this I'm talking, this figure is after all the women are not tested. There might be several villages in Jharkhand or Uttar Pradesh who will never test. And probably if it spreads, they will die and they will never even know what she died of. So 1 out of 8 is when you are not even aware of it. So if you're living in a building and you have 100 women, at least 10 of them
Yes,
are going to go through this or are going through this.
Right.
Yeah,
right.
so it's very, very common.
Yeah. So it was
Talking
just
about Hina Khan, it's so
Right.
strange. I was just going through my messages. When I got to know, I used to send her regularly messages every alternate day. Prayed for you, prayed for you,
yes.
prayed for you. See? Prayed for you. Prayed for you. You will be fine. I think the only thing you can do in a situation like that
Really?
to somebody
Just be there.
is
To
just
think
be
that
there,
someone
that
remembers
is-
you and you're
Yeah.
not deleted.
Yeah,
Yes.
that Praveen Dabas recently met with an accident.
Yeah.
With an
Yes,
accident,
yes.
I had to call him up.
Yeah.
एक सेकंड लगता है आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते हो
नहीं कर
आप
सकते।
किसी की बीमारी को कम नहीं कर
नहीं,
सकते हो
नहीं, but you can
मगर
make it
there.
महसूस करा सकते हो
Yeah.
कि हम यार फिक्र मत कर तेरे चाहने वाले हैं और यू आर नीडेड यू आर
You're
रिक्वायर्ड
needed, right.
Yes.
And we know what you're going through.
या
You know, to acknowledge somebody's
एग्जैक्टली मिजरी और
yeah,
सैडनेस
Yeah.
या
So yeah, it's beautiful how you are inspiring and you are passing on the strength. and
Yeah, she had told me
positivity
when
to-
she's starting her chemo, and I
Beautiful.
just said, "Let me just go." And she was like, they had gone to do a X-ray or something, and when she was back in the room, she was like, "Oh my God, you're here."
Yes, I saw that post and it was
So she says, "What
heartwarming.
is it going to be like?" I said, "Nothing. You'll feel like you're having 2-3 bottles of wine. That's it." Really? So I said, "Yeah, I felt like that." And then I
Yeah.
wanted to have a barfi after that.
Wow.
You know, this is what I felt the first time I took
Right,
it. I
right.
thought I'd had something. You feel drugged, obviously.
Yeah, because of course,
Yeah.
You take a simple cold medicine and you feel like,
Yeah.
you know, you're under some influence. So I can imagine those medicines at that level,
Yeah.
yeah, they must be working, I'm sure, to some
But
level.
for people who are
hats off.
watching this show, the film
Watch
is not
Signature.
only about
Yes.
a
No, 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 no.
hospital, not only about
No, no,
depression.
it's about
not only
relationships.
It is about father-son relationship. It's
Yes,
about a
yes.
husband's love for his wife.
Yes.
Oh my God.
You know, बहुत कम फिल्में बनी हैं जिसमें हस्बैंड का वाइफ के प्रति महबूबा के प्रति तो बहुत कुछ होता है
बहुत कुछ होता है.
बट फॉर a wife to sort of go through that and not आपने बताया था ना वो बड़ा अच्छा मतलब वो किस्सा बड़ा मुझे कल दहला दिया था उसने कि आप मैं साथ वाले कमरे में
हाँ.
आपके वो एक हस्बैंड था 52
Yeah,
year old
the doctor was telling him, you know, like my dad was in the ICU, and in the neighboring ICU, the doctor was saying that, oh, you've come, but you know, we've done all we could.
Oh,
We can still try this, and the husband was like, please do whatever, doctor, please do. I'm not ready to let her go. I'm not ready to let her
Whatever it
go.
takes.
I'm not ready to let her go. Doctor, please do whatever you can. Yes, doctor, you can do that. Do whatever you can. I'm not ready.
I'm not ready.
I'm not ready.
That's
You know,
such
I
a
could hear
yeah.
him. And then I saw him come there for 2-3 days while I was there. So I can understand what he means by she's not talking, she's breathing. And you're not ready to say ki haan, theek hai.
Yeah. I don't think I can even put it in words, that feeling. Okay.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
like we discuss in the film, it's part of life, and one must just know how to handle it. That's all.
Yeah, your
You know,
life
a lot
is
of
actually
a lot
about
of times people just close themselves and they say, "Oh, I don't want to deal with it.
Yes.
I don't want to see anything like this." But that is something. It's part of life.
Yeah, because life will happen. It's how you react to it. It's so important. All right, Anupam, let's move on to something lighter.
Yeah.
Let's talk about your definition of success. What is success to you? You think it changes the more successful a man gets? I'd just love to know what your take is on that.
But my answer may come across as a philosophical to you. My success definitions keeps changing from every decade.
Right.
When I was not in the movies or looking for work, then even one film would have been a success for me, and then that happened. And then when I did, immediately signed 57 films in 1 week after Saransh.
Wow.
I thought that was success. Then when I bought my first car, the only number of a car that I remember is my first car.
Even I.
It was my Fiat car, pistachio color, MAP 5068.
Wow.
And then I don't know, after that, I don't know. I remember I had a Contessa which I turned into Mercedes. It was such a lame thing to have done, but I was very thrilled. Everybody knew it is a Contessa turned into wearing a burqa or any other thing. And it pretending to be Mercedes. उस पे आगे एम्ब्लम लगा हुआ था.
हाँ, बहुत लोग करते थे.
हाँ, पर मुझे अच्छा लगता था. मैं कहा ठीक है यार. So फिर मेरी मारुति 1000 एक बार चोरी हो गई थी.
Oh God.
वो भी मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करने गया था कि ये भगवान मेरे बड़े बुरे दिन चल रहे हैं, मेरे को कुछ ठीक कर दे, because I had wanted to be this tycoon, TV tycoon. So I had borrowed money and I was not able to return. So I was almost on the verge of bankruptcy. So I had remembered that, when I was a struggling actor, there was a temple on the roadside, महालक्ष्मी पे, जहाँ वो छोटा था. मैं उधर प्रार्थना करने गया ही नहीं, तो ये भगवान बदला ले रहा है. So I told my driver, you stay at home, I will drive the car. So I drove the car all the way. I'm not a great driver, but I drove all the way to महालक्ष्मी temple. And मैंने AC ऑन रखा, गाड़ी ऑन रखी. मैंने कहा बस भगवान को नमस्ते करके सॉरी बोल के आ जाऊँगा. मैं प्रार्थना करने के लिए झुका हूँ. मैंने देखा मेरी गाड़ी जा रही है, तो मुड़ के देखा तो एक चोर गाड़ी लेके भाग रहा था. मतलब उसको एयर कंडीशन गाड़ी मिली है. तो मैं दौड़ा. मैंने एक टैक्सी वाले को रोका. मैंने कहा दौड़ाओ. कहता नहीं सर, आपकी गाड़ी बड़ी फास्ट जा रही है. Then I went to the police station.
Okay.
They fell down laughing when I told them मैं ऐसे पूजा करने के लिए उठा था, पीछे से गाड़ी चोरी. कहते क्या बात कर, दोबारा सुनाना स्टोरी, इसको ये नया आया. So I think the success right now, I feel I'm in that phase where I think as a successful person is much more important than success in profession.
True.
But a long time back, my father taught me that failure is an event, never a person.
Wow.
I think if Mahima says nice things about me, she has said nice things about me not as an actor, that's an established fact. I've worked very hard. But if I can touch people's life, I'm a successful
being.
person.
Yes.
That
you
is
are.
what my definition is.
Absolutely.
Because
If
that
I am
requires
sensitive.
effort.
Yeah, people tell me meditation, which I have great respect for people who do meditation. But I have also seen people finishing a meditation class and shouting at the driver.
Yes.
Yes. What's the point?
Possible.
What's the
किधर गाड़ी पार्क कर दी है तूने? Nonsense. Making people happy is meditation.
That is true.
Is success. Listening to people sometimes is success.
Perfect.
So I think that keeps changing, and I think from that point of view, I would like to be a successful person from human angle. How many people's life you touched?
Touched.
How many people you gave your ear to?
True.
I think that's what is
True
important.
I
measure
have
of
made
success.
friends just out of nowhere like that. I remember I was boarding a flight, and there was this airlines woman. She was just so upset, and she didn't want the passengers to
Right.
hear, and I was one of the last few to enter. And she was like so angry, and she was upset, and she says, "No, but it's not something." And I just looked at her, and she looked worried that it is all going to come on her name now.
Right, right.
And I just gave her a hug,
Oh.
and I boarded. And the next time she met me, she was like, "Ma'am, that day you gave me a hug, and then I just this happened to me. That happened." Like she was going through a
Yes,
lot,
Yes.
and that hug meant a lot.
I literally
to
think
her.
this travels, you know, kindness travels. You're kind to
Yeah.
someone and then
And
they
now
pass
we
it
are
on.
friends, and every time I'm late for a flight, I'm calling her, "Put me on this flight, get extra baggage."
Yeah.
So I'm like, "वो मेरा hug तुझे बहुत भारी पड़ गया."
वो बड़े रूमी जो पोएट थे, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली थी. उन्होंने कहा कोई भी बात बोलने से पहले 3 चीजें सोच लो. क्या जो आप बोल रहे हो वो सच है? दूसरा, क्या आप जो बोल रहे हो इज इट वर्थ इट सेइंग इट? और क्या जो आप बोल रहे हो वो काइंड है कि नहीं?
Kind है कि नहीं.
It's such a beautiful line it is. I
Yeah.
think.
True. We definitely need more kindness in the world right now. I think it's the need of the hour. And okay, I think we should wrap this up now. So my last question is to Mahima ma'am. Mahima ma'am, this role that you have portrayed in Signature, what kind of challenges did you face as an actor, and what kind of experiences did you take on board personally and professionally to play this character and to portray it the way you did?
You know, actually, like when he was trying to get into movies, or I, or today, any young actor, you imagine a certain kind of a break. You know, when we were coming, we wanted a big banner to launch us with a new actor, or ऐसा होगा, वैसा होता है, newcomers के साथ, गाने hit होते. And then it was better than I imagined, the launch that I got. It was with not a newcomer, it was with the reigning superstar, Shah Rukh Khan. It was with the star maker, Subhash Ghai. And the songs were about India, and it went to America. And it was one of those films which became a blockbuster all across the world. Everyone used to say, so when are you going to start being part of movies again? And I said, as soon as there are parts opening up for people our age. And I never imagined how I'm going to restart. And this again was not something I would have ever dreamt of. Like, I'll be going through a cancer treatment where I'll be completely disheveled. You know, where my appearance will be the first thing that will be affected, besides my mental state. It'll just be wiped out. Like, if you think your mane is your thing, your hair is, your beauty is your thing, you'll have none of it when you make a restart.
Right.
And that's what happened. But he obviously had the courage, Anupam had the courage to ask me to do it even in that state, and to make me part of this film. You know? So, yeah, it was something that I never imagined. But I am so happy to have done it this way. You know, to have started with nothing. Like he said, I have nothing to lose.
Nothing to do.
You know, because I think I've bared myself completely as an actor.
Wow.
Also, if I may add to what you said, she did this role at a time when mentally she was at her lowest ebb.
Wow.
And it was the role of a person who is trying to forget what she is going
Yeah.
through.
Yes.
I think that was the challenge, and to the fact that you did that, अब बाकी आप देखना इसके बाद आपको कितने अच्छे रोल मिलने वाले हैं. Once
No,
the people see.
just I think anticipating watching the two of you together in a film which is so heart touching and so inspiring. I think it's going to be something which is a dream for the audience and for all of us. We really, really are anticipating and looking forward to watching The Signature with the two of you creating
Everyone,
magic.
please watch it
Please
on
watch
Z5.
it.
Wow, I've never got
Yeah,
anything
we've got
like this.
little goodie bags for you. This is for Mahima ma'am. Here we go.
Thank you.
And this is for Anupam sir. Here we go.
Thank you so much. It's
Wow.
very kind. Thank you.